Nearest star to the Earth is dash. Answer B. Sun. Presently, the farthest planet from the Sun is dash. Answer A. Pluto. Planet with maximum satellites is dash. Answer B. Saturn. Which planet is called red planet? Answer A. Mars. Which planet is called double planet? Answer C. Pluto. Largest satellite in solar system is dash. Answer B. Ganymede. Sun rays reaches Earth in approximately. Answer B. 8 minutes. Largest planet of solar system is dash. Answer A. Jupiter. Smallest planet of the solar system is dash. Answer A. Pluto. Brightest planet of the solar system is dash. Answer A. Venus. Heel Pop is a newly discovered dash. Answer D. Comet. Charon is a satellite of dash. Answer C. Pluto. A family or system of millions and millions of stars are called dash. Answer A. Universe. A system of millions and millions of galaxies are called dash. Answer B. Universe. The name of our galaxy is dash. Answer C. Milky Way. What is the shape of our galaxy Milky Way? Answer A. Spiral. Orion and Great Bear stand for dash. Answer D. Constellation. Our solar system is an orderly community of dash. Answer A. One star. How many planets does our solar system consist of? Answer A. 9. The word planet means dash. Answer A. Wanderer. A celestial body having its own heat and light is called. Answer C. Star. A celestial body which revolves around a planet just as a planet revolves around the sun is called dash. Answer C. Satellite. A celestial body which revolves around the sun and receives heat and light from it is called dash. Answer A. Planet. A worm of small bodies in between the two planets of solar system is called asteroids. Which are those two planets? Answer A. Mars and Jupiter. The word satellite means. Answer D. A smallest champion to anything. Which of the following planets is called blue planet? Answer B. Earth. Big Bang theory explains. Answer A. The formation of universe. Sun revolves around galaxy. One is every 250 million year. This length of time is called dash. Answer A. Cosmic or galactic year. Planet nearest to the Earth is dash. Answer A. Venus. Planet with nearly equal rotation and revolution time to the Earth is dash. Answer A. Venus. Earth ranks dash in the solar system away from the sun. Answer A. Fifth. What is the direction of rotation of the earth on its axis? Answer D. West to east. Which planet does take the at least time in completing one revolution around the sun? Answer C. Mercury. What is the most accurate description of the shape of the earth? Answer A. A geoid. When the earth is at its maximum distance from the sun, it is said to be in. Answer D. Aphelion. When the earth is at its maximum distance from the sun, it is said to be. Answer C. Perihelion. What is the primary cause of the day and night? Answer B. Rotation. What is the primary cause of seasonal change on the surface of the earth? Answer A. Earth's evolution and inclination of its axis. How much time does the earth take in completing one rotation on its axis in rotation to sun? Answer B. 24 hours. How much time does earth take in making one rotation on its axis with respect to a fixed star at infinite distance? Answer A. 23 hours 56 minutes. What is sidereal day? Answer A. Time taken by the earth to complete one rotation with respect to a fixed star at infinity. What is a synodic month? Answer D. Moon's period of revolution with respect to the sun. On which date is the earth in perihelion? Answer A. 3rd January. On which date is the earth in aphelion? Answer A. 4th July. The date on which the sun is vertical over the Tropic of Cancer is. Answer A. 21st June. The date on which the sun is vertical over the Tropic of Capricorn is. Answer A. 22 December. Who was the first person to describe the earth as a sphere? Answer D. Copernicus. What proportion of the mass of the earth does the mass of the moon equal? Answer A. 1/81. What does perigee mean? Answer C. The position of the moon nearest to the earth.